Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. It's your Keto Queen here, and if you want to know more about my keto recipes, low carb recipes, my keto journey, and just how to live a keto lifestyle, then please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know every time I'm uploading a video. Today I'm making a delicious egg and tuna salad. So let's get started. I have Himalayan salt, black pepper, albacore, the solid white tuna. I also have my mustard, my relish, and my mayo. And I also have a boiled egg. I actually ended up using 2 boiled eggs. So I started by mixing my tuna and my boiled eggs. Then I added my mustard. Then I added my mayo. Next is a tablespoon and a half of the relish. After that, I added my salt and pepper. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot my onion. I love onions. Everything is all mixed up together, and I guarantee you it is delicious. And I want to let you in on something, guys. Ritz crackers are low in carbs. 5 Ritz crackers are only 10 carbs. That is low in carbs. 5 Ritz crackers, only 10 carbs, guys. So put it all together and have a delicious lunch or snack. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, every day is a new beginning.